Hi, this is Karen from Food Jazz, presenting food with a little jazz, and today I'm making my delicious bakery-style carrot muffins. So to get started, we're going to make the crumble topping first. You will need some brown sugar, some pecans, and some cinnamon. And you just want to stir this together until it's well combined and then set it aside for later use. In a large mixing bowl, you want to combine some flour, white sugar, some baking powder, baking soda, salt, and some cinnamon. Whisk these ingredients together until they're well combined. Mixing the coconut and pecans into the dry mixture will ensure an even distribution within the muffin batter. The flour acts to coat these ingredients, preventing them from falling to the bottom of the muffins. To a separate bowl, add some eggs, vanilla extract, and some oil, and whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined. Add the egg mixture over into your dry ingredients, along with the finely grated carrots and the finely chopped apples. Fold these wet ingredients into the dry ingredients until just moistened. You don't want to overwork this batter. Prepare some muffin tins with paper cup liners. This recipe makes 12 bakery-style muffins. Scoop the batter into the paper-lined muffin tins. I like to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup. It seems to be a little bit less messier. Sprinkle the reserved crumb mixture over the top of each muffin. Place in a 350-degree oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. These delicious carrot muffins are a sure way to jazz up your day. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.